welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we'll be making another Irish dish called Colcannon. This recipe is from Mayo County. It's real simple. The only long part is getting some of the stuff ready, but hey, let's get it on with. Right here I got 1 pound of potatoes boiling. We're going to put 2 leeks chopped in here. Add just enough milk to cover them. A little bit more. Turn that on. While that's going, we'll just take a little break, let it do its magic. Trying to get the leeks soft. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, it's almost time. Over there. Okay. Now, this is a dish that's traditional for Halloween, but it's also good all year round. On the back burner I have some butter melting. Recipe calls for 1/2 cup butter. And you're also going to be using 1 pound of cabbage. I'm going to drain the potatoes and mash them. We're blending this together. You also boil the cabbage until it's soft and tender. already boiled up the cabbage and chopped it up. Let it cook for a little bit longer. I'll be right back. Okay. You either mash it or blend it. Continue cooking for a little bit longer. And now we're going to season it. Just a little bit of a pinch of mace. If you can't find mace, you can use nutmeg. This comes from the same plant. A little salt. A little black pepper. Now we're going to make a little well in the middle. We're going to take our melted butter, rub it in there, mix it all together. I'll see you at the table. I'm back. Here we go. It's good, just a little temperature hot, not spicy hot. Well, I've eaten Colcannon before, but not this recipe. The recipes I've used don't call for leeks, call for onions. And we normally eat it for St. Patty's Day. I hope you liked this video, found it informative, enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And hit the subscribe bell and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you, and have a good night.